you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Okay, here I am again. Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. I just got in from shopping once again, and I got for you a necessities haul. In other words, groceries and just a few things that aren't edible, not much, for $80. Now I'm going to show you what I got because I spent $50 on food and then about 30 more on other stuff. So come on, let's take a look. Essentials. I got some paper towels. Now you can tell by the brand name where I went. Walmart, yeah, I know. Here's the, you know what. Okay, then, trying to see what else I bought a big old thing of sugar. When you buy in bulk, it's better, cheaper, you get more, all that. Because I'm getting my spices all together. Oh, and speaking of which, I got some parsley, some basil, I got some granulated garlic. By the way, did you know if you go into the ethnic sections, these are cheaper? Yeah. And what is this? Oh, onion powder. Yes, Miss Nina, now hush up. I got some mozzarella because tonight I'm doing my diabetic friendly lasagna. I'll show you how I do that. I also got some pepper jack cheese, some cinnamon. Oh, by the way, did you know you get more in these packs for $1? I think it's 89 than you do in the other blocks. They're only 6 ounces for 2 something. And I got a don't judge me. It's a cheese Danish. It was on sale. It was calling my name. I swear. It just, Uncle Chris. What? I don't know. That's a weakness. But I am watching it. Jay eats most of it, okay? I'm not going to lose my diet now. I got my zucchinis. Let me show you. I got tons of zucchini. 3 packs for my lasagna and other things I'm going to cook. And grilled zucchini, by the way, delicious. Wonderful. You can fry it, you can bake it, you can do all kinds of things with zucchini. You can also make zucchini noodles, and I'm going to show you that too. A zucchini pasta dish with avocados. Oh, it's addictive, and it's diabetic friendly. Yes. Oh, I got a huge pack of ginger, because we're also going to make us some ginger pineapple tea. Remember the pineapple I got from the food bank? Yes, I'm going to combine that with the ginger. It's going to be great. Somebody wrote to me and said they tried to make the pineapple tea and it didn't come out right. Write to me and let me know what you did. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. It's real simple, real simple. Now check this out. At Aldi's, they do have low sodium bacon. This has a lot less salt, more than 50% less than regular bacon, and it still tastes good, okay? I got some more mozzarella for the lasagna tonight. That's gonna be good. And I got some unsalted butter. I got 2 packs of these. I don't buy the salted butter because you can always add salt. I got 2 frostings because Lord knows I have lots of cake mix from the food pantry. I got lemon because I'm gonna make an Easter cake, y'all. You're gonna love that. Easter's coming now. Easter is coming. Mardi Gras is over, but in celebration of Mardi Gras, I'm gonna also do my spicy lentil soup, I promised you all. Got some ground black pepper. Ooh, and let me show you something here. I got some Obey seasoning. Now, I want you to see this. That has 30% less sodium. That's very important. So you won't over salt your food. I got some red pepper to go in our spicy soup. Let's see. Oh, I got some half and half and some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to do a special bisque seafood soup with this. And this is for the coffee in the morning. Although I'm doing decaf right now. My cream cheese, because I'm going to make shrimp crab rangoon. So it'll be shrimp rangoon. They're delicious. Garlic. I got some sour cream. Here's my other unsalted butter. So I got 2 packs of that. I got a bag of lemons. They were 49 cents each. So I said, let me get them now. You know, I'm waiting for summer when they'll be like, you know, 6 or 20 for $1. But it wasn't a bad price, so I got some. So I can make some lemonade. Lemonade is very cleansing to the system, you all. Okay? Now also, I got, let me make some room here. 2 packs. I told you I love me some fresh spring water. Natural spring water. I got 2 packs of it. Okay? Put that right here. I've already pulled a couple out to drink. There goes my refrigerator again. I tell you, I got the magic humming refrigerator. Now, I want you all to take a look at everything I got. Remember, these are just the essentials I got. Thanks to the food pantry, I knew what I had to buy. Now, I'm going to plan the meals, fix the meals, and share them with you guys. Now you see what I got for around $80. So, once again, this is why I supplement from the food pantry. Once I get the things from the food pantry, then that determines what I'm going to buy from the store. And you should plan it out that way too. Make a list of what you get from the food pantry. That way, when you're in the store, you can say, oh, I can work with this. I've made this, and I can make this, and I can do this with the things I've already got. So you know what to buy, okay? All right. Tune in tonight. I'm going to show you my diabetic-friendly lasagna. I'm also going to have the spicy lentil soup coming up in celebration for Mardi Gras. Oh, yeah. I love you guys. Oh, and also tune in for the spicy live conversation I'm going to do. And I'm going to address that nasty comment somebody outside of our nieces and nephews family sent to Mr. Dean on the scene. He is the nicest guy, you know? All right. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Oh, Joe, thank you for those tips on gardening. Guys, I'm going to have a big garden this year. I can't wait. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Tune in tonight.